Today, we are going to be going on a virtual field trip all the way to New York City. So here we are. We just arrived at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. It's also known as the Met Kids. You guys can click on the link in the description box to explore the museum on your own. But today, the exhibit that we're going to be visiting is right over here. It is called the Armor. A fun fact, it says this is the only example of Japanese armor from the 1300s in the United States. Only a handful of these are left in the world. What is this made of? It's made of iron, lacquer, leather, silk, and even gilt copper. It was made in the early 14th century, and it was made in Asia, Japan to be specific. And where can you find this? We can find this in the Arms and Armor Gallery, number 377. Let's discover some more about this exhibit. Japanese warriors known as samurai, meaning those who serve, wore armor like this called Yoroi. It is made of small pieces of lacquered metal that were connected with silk, laces, and cords, making it flexible and easy for the samurai to wear in battle. What does lacquered mean? Lacquer is a material like varnish that dries quickly into a shiny layer, for example, on wood or metal. Okay, let's keep going. This suit is extremely rare because it still has many of the original white laces holding it together, as well as colorful laces along the edges of the skirt. Like a rainbow, these symbolized good luck and momentary beauty. Let's imagine. This armor would have originally included protective pieces for the arms and legs, as well as a large rectangular shoulder panels, almost like the pads worn by modern day football players. Imagine what the rest of the armor would have looked like, and invent a story about what happened to the missing pieces and where they are now. Create. Let's watch a video on how to fold an origami samurai helmet. All right, now it's your turn. You guys will get the chance to follow along with me as I fold my samurai helmet. And once we finish folding our samurai helmet, you will have the opportunity to decorate it any way you like, just like they showed in the video. And then I want you to take a picture of your helmet. You can be wearing it or you can have it. It can be big, it can be small. It's up to you. I want to see you use your creativity and create an awesome design. Hi everybody, what we're going to do now, I am going to go step by step making our samurai hat. And remember, you use paper. If you don't have paper, just like I told you last time, you can use your cereal box and open it up just like I showed you. If you don't have that, you know, all of those sales papers that we get in the mail, you can also use that. Be creative, use your imagination. I'm going to be using this sales paper today to create my samurai hat. So what we need to do, open it and take that out because we only need one side. And just like we've been doing on the folds, you want to crease it down to make it easier to tear. Because we only need one side of this. You don't need to have the part with the fold. So now that I have a good crease, then I can start to tear. Oh, see that? You want to take your time, hold that down like that, grab it. Use my fingernail and go over it. And turn it, flip it the other way, and do the same thing. And use my fingernail to give it a really good crease. Now let's go, I'm going to start at the opposite end and repeat. I'm going to hold it right close to the fold and take my time. And that extra crease made it really easy to tear along the edge. So you're going to take your paper and let me look at it. And see if you want to use some of the designs on there, if you have a cute design or something. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take it this way. And you want to take this point and line it up right here. We're folding to make a triangle. Okay. And I'm going to push right here along the edge. And then this part right here, this little flap that's outside of this triangle, we're going to be cutting that off because we want to have a perfect triangle. So what I'm going to do again, I'm going to fold and give myself a really good crease. Then I'm going to turn it over in the back and I'm going to fold it back the opposite way using the line that I just created. And then run my fingernail along it to continue to give me that good crease. Guys, remember, if you have scissors, just use your scissors and cut along there and cut this little piece off. You always want to take your time so that you don't mess up. Since that little piece started to tear. Alright, there we go. And then take this and put it to the side because we don't need that. Now what I'm going to do, we have our triangle this way. Then you're going to take this corner and fold it all the way over here to fold the triangle in half to make a smaller triangle. I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to push it down and run my fingers across it a few more times to crease it, just like that. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to take it and fold it back up. And that gave us a center line. What we're going to do next is we're going to take this point and fold it up there. I'm going to do it and take that point and fold it to the top up there. And push down. And give us a crease. I'm going to repeat it on this side. I'm going to take this point and fold it up there. And push down just like that. Okay, now the part that opens at the top. And it should look like a square. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start with this side. I'm going to take it and fold it down to here just like that. gonna push it down, creasing it with my finger. Then I'm going to repeat on the other side. Take this point and fold it here. Just like that. Okay, now what we're gonna do, you're gonna take this point and then you're gonna make like little, almost like little bunny ears. We're making a bunch of triangles. You see? You're gonna fold it down to the middle. You start right here, you can put your finger there and then take this point and fold it over so that you don't go past there. Just like that. And then we're going to repeat on the other side. Take your finger there and you're going to fold it just like that. Okay? Now what we're going to do, we're going to take one side. So here we should have two pieces down here. What you're going to do, you're going to take the top piece and then you're going to fold it. You're not going to fold it all the way. You're going to leave a little bit of space and fold it. I'd say about to right there. Just like that. Alright. Now, you're going to take it again and then you're going to fold it up one more time. Just like that. And then this little piece right here, you're going to take it, open, and then you're just going to tuck it inside and line it up. Just like that. Okay. And then, there you go. You have your samurai hat. You can make this hat for you, maybe one of your dolls, maybe your Lego figures or action figures. And if you want, remember, you can always color it.